Hello everyone. A very happy morning to all of you. How are you? I hope you all are well and enjoying my classes. Let's start our today's session. Do you know what we are going to learn today? Today we are going to learn aquatic animals. Now students, open your book I Can Achiever page number 64 and 65. Here students, you have to read the name of the animals. Students, the first picture is the picture of a whale. Second picture is a picture of a fish. Third picture is a picture of a turtle. Fourth picture is a picture of a starfish. Fifth picture is a picture of a shark. Sixth picture is the picture of a crab. Students, do you know where the fishes live? Fishes lives in a water. They swim in the water. Students, the fishes can't live without water. Students, let's do an activity. For this activity, students, let's have a tub full of water and put some magnet fishes in it and then try to swim them with your hands. Students, do you know we can keep them at our home in aquarium? Students, I will show you a picture of aquarium and you will also count the animals in the aquarium. Are you ready? So let's start now. Count the fishes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now students, I hope you have enjoyed the activity. Now students, you will have to arrange them in the according order like this. Ascending order like this. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, it's 38, 39, 40. Now students, repeat the counting with me. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Like this. Now students, open page number 66. Here students, you will have to complete the missing number, which are in the air balloons. In the first air balloon, the number given is 37. What comes after 37? 38. So write here 38. Now students, in the second air balloon, the number is written 35. Now students, what comes number after 35? 36. So write here 36. In the third air balloon, the number is 38. What comes after 38? 39. So write here 39. Which number is given in the fourth air balloon? 31. What comes after 31? 32. So write here 32. Fifth air balloon, which number is written? 34. What comes after 34? 35. So write here 35. Now students, open page number 67. Here students, you will have to complete the missing numbers, which are in the train. Students, in the first train, the first number is 28. What comes after 28? 29. So write here 29. In the second box, what comes after 29? 30. So write here 30. In the second train, the first number is missing and the second number is 33. What comes before 33? 32. So write here 32. The last number of the train is 35. What comes before 35? 34. So write here 34. In the third train, the first number is missing and the second number is 38. What comes before 38? 37. So write here 37. The next number is 39. What comes after 39? 40. So write here number 40. Now students, open your book phonic booklet. Page number 45. Here you will read the words and practice writing them. B-A-K-E, bake. B-A-K-E, bake. C-A-K-E, cake. M-A-K-E, make. T-A-K-E, take. D-A-T-E, date. G-A-T-E, gate. L-A-T-E, late. M-A-T-E, meet. Now students, open page number 46. Students, read again. G-A-V-E, gave. S-A-V-E, save. W-A-V-E, wave. B-R-A-V-E, brave. G-A-M-E, game. N-A-M-E, name. S-A-M-E, same. T-A-M-E, tame. Now students, open page number 47. Read again. B-I-T-E, bite. K-I-T-E, kite. H-I-D-E, hide. R-I-D-E, right. S-I-D-E, side. B-I-K-E, bike. H-I-K-E, hike. L-I-K-E, like. Now students, open page number 48. Students, read after me. N-O-T-E, note. V-O-T-E, vote. J-O-K-E, joke. S-M-O-K-E, smoke. H-O-P-E, hope. R-O-P-E, rope. S-L-O-P-E, slope. S-T-O-N-E, stone. Now students, sit in a circle with your family and discuss the things what you have done since morning. I will come up with many more new videos. Stay in touch, children. Do your work. Play indoor games for your safety. Happy learning, kids. Stay at home. Stay safe. Take care of yourself. Thank you.